What if I told you there's a new AI that just smashed every major language model in existence? A system so advanced it can plot spacecraft trajectories while coding video games and solving quantum physics problems. This is Grok 3, Elon Musk's latest AI missile aimed directly at OpenAI, Google, and China's DeepSeek. Let's break down exactly why this model has the entire AI industry sweating. First, the numbers don't lie. In the brutal AIME 2025 math competition, Grok 3 scored 52 out of 60, absolutely dominating DeepSeek v3's 39 and leaving GPT-4o choking in the dust at 48. When it comes to scientific reasoning, 75 out of 100 on the GPQA eval, that's 10 full points higher than Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And coding? Grok 3's live code bench score of 57 makes Anthropic's models look like script kiddies. But raw benchmarks are for chatbots. Grok 3's real magic happens in its thinking architecture. While Gemini 1.5 Pro uses basic chain of thought, Grok 3 deploys multi-agent debate, essentially having multiple AI specialists argue different solutions until they reach consensus. This big brain mode consumed 15 times more compute than Grok 2, and the results speak for themselves. During the launch demo, Grok 3 did something no other model has achieved: calculated real-time orbital mechanics for a Mars mission while generating functional game code. The Deep Search feature accessed live X data to optimize trajectories, then created a playable Tetris clone in seconds. Even AI royalty is impressed. Ex-OpenAI star Andrej Karpathy called Grok 3 state-of-the-art territory after it solved his Settlers of Catan programming challenge, a problem that stumped GPT-4o. But here's the kicker. Karpathy found Grok 3 hallucinated less than Claude 3.5 in complex reasoning tests, despite Musk's refusal to censor outputs. The people have spoken on LM Arena's blind testing platform. Grok 3 just became the first model to break 1400 ELO, crushing competitors in coding, math, and creative writing. For context, GPT-4o flatlines at 1375. Gemini 1.5 Pro, 1350. China's DeepSeek v3 didn't even qualify for the top 5. Behind the scenes, xAI went full war mode. 200,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs in their Colossus supercluster. That's double Azure's biggest public cluster. Rumor is they're finalizing a $5 billion deal for NVIDIA's new GB200 chips, while OpenAI struggles with GPU shortages. Compute matters, folks. But is Grok 3 perfect? Hell no. Early tests show it struggles with complex Python more than Claude's specialized coding models. Jokes? Forget it. Karpathy called its humor dad puns from 2023. And despite Musk's maximal truth claims, it still hallucinates fake URLs, just like every other LLM. Here's the bottom line. Grok 3 isn't just another chatbot. For X Premium Plus users at $16 a month, you get reasoning that rivals OpenAI's $200 a month O3 high tier. The new Super Grok tier, unlimited image generation, deep search, and priority compute access. This isn't an app, it's a weapon for technical users. While Google and OpenAI play catch-up, Musk's team is already training Grok 4 on hardware that makes today's rigs look like calculators. The AI arms race just went hyperdrive. Will Grok 3's raw power overcome its rough edges? Can open source models like Llama 3.3 even compete? Drop your hot takes below and smash subscribe for the latest AI warfare. Who won the AI race? You decide.